Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Travel with Siri. Novotel Surfers Paradise is located in the vibrant heart of the Gold Coast. This family-friendly hotel offers a range of accommodation options perfect for families and travelers looking for a cozy and a modern home away from home. We stayed in one of the newly renovated deluxe rooms and it was an experience worth sharing. The room was designed with comfort and style in mind, providing a welcoming atmosphere. The deluxe rooms feature a choice of one king bed or two double beds, making it an ideal setup for families. These rooms can comfortably accommodate up to two adults and two children, ensuring everyone has enough space to relax and enjoy their stay. The room was equipped with a range of amenities designed to make our stay as comfortable as possible. The flat screen TV came with casting capabilities, allowing us to stream our favorite shows and movies directly from our devices. The room included a well-appointed work desk and free Wi-Fi. The mini refrigerator was perfect for keeping drinks and snacks, which is always a plus when traveling with kids. The facilities and services are designed to enhance your stay at Novotel Surfers Paradise. The hotel features a variety of dining options, recreational activities, family-friendly amenities, making it an ideal destination for travelers of all ages. Kindly note that this is not a promotional video or sponsored by anyone. I am just sharing my experience staying at Novotel Surfers Paradise. One of the highlights of our room was the private balcony, which offered breathtaking views. Depending on the room's orientation, you can have the glittering Pacific Ocean, or the lush green expanse of the Gold Coast hinterland, or the bustling cityscape of Surfers Paradise. We opted for an ocean view, hoping to enjoy the stunning seascapes that the Gold Coast is famous for. But initially, we were given a room with a partial ocean view. While it was beautiful, we wanted a clearer view of the ocean, and hence we spoke with the hotel staff who were more than accommodating. They arranged for us to move to another room with a full ocean view the next day itself. The bathroom was another standout feature, equipped with modern fixtures. Our day started with lavish buffet breakfast at the restaurant on level 1. The buffet is available every morning and offers a tempting array of breakfast treats. The buffet breakfast at the restaurant is priced at 39 Australian dollars per person for adults. Children aged 5 to 12 years dine for free with two paying adults. If you are an ACOR member, ACCOR, you will enjoy a special benefit with a 50% discount on the buffet breakfast, making it even more accessible for the loyal guests. From traditional favorites like cereals and pastries to tropical fresh fruits and a variety of hot meals, there's something to everyone. In summary, our stay at Novotel Surfers Paradise was a delightful experience. The combination of modern comforts, stunning views, and exceptional service made our visit truly memorable.